Morning, Bobby. How are you?
I'm good, sir. You say?
I'm also good. Right now, I'm happy to see you here. Thanks for giving your time. Basically, this video is going to about the Jumpstart program. So
Okay.
many guys having problems like how to prepare PPT and what will be going to happen in Jumpstart program. So
Yes.
we will be discussing all those key areas in this video. So let me explain for those who don't know why Byju's start conducting a Byju's Jumpstart program. So basically, the previous round of interview and Zoom interview, if you are not sufficient enough, having a potential but not that much enough and that much not up to the mark, so they will put you all in the Jumpstart program, right, Bobby?
Yes.
So
Yes, sir.
if they find you are lacking somewhere, so they just put you in the Jumpstart program,
In
and
short, giving you second chance.
Jumpstart program does not mean that you are selected. It means it's a
Yes.
final round where you have to present a PPT. Okay, how the Jumpstart program starts. So let me explain you. There will be a link provided to you, a WhatsApp link where you all guys connected over that WhatsApp. So then in that WhatsApp, they will all tell you what will going to happen in next day. So there will be a 2 days workshop in Jumpstart program where they will explain you and they will give you brief insight about the product details, that is K3, K12 and K10. And while
Written.
explaining all these things, you have to log on to
Dot byju's.
learn.byju's.com.
Yes, sir.
Learn.byju's.com. This is the site where where you have to visit, and just a video will come. You have to watch that video for it is for half an hour or for 1 hour. So you have to watch that video and you have to just go back to Zoom meeting, in which there will be a senior managers, they are taking your meeting. Just visit on learn.byju's.com portal and watch that video and come back to the Zoom meeting. After once you watch that videos, there will be a test which is conducted on Zoom, on Google form. So they will provide a link on the comment section or in the WhatsApp group, or on the WhatsApp group. So you have to just go on and 15-minute time, and there are, I
Yes,
think,
sir.
20 to 15 to 20 questions. And
20
after
question.
watching every videos on learn.byju's.com, you will be going to give a test of K3, K10 and K12. So
Hmm.
for that, what will be the question and how will be the question asked in that videos, I will be providing you some sort of idea. So let me share you my screen and let me take you to the screen. How can you find those some type of questions that may help you? So let me take you to this vartalab.com, and here you just go on to this what is Byju's Jumpstart program. Just click on it and you will find here
You can expect.
what kind of question you can expect over there in the test. So this is the site where you will be getting all the answers and an idea, rough idea that how will be the test and what questions will be asked in that test. Then this whole program works for 2 days, total of 2 days workshop. One day they will be explaining, then taking test, and another day they will be taking K K12, K10, then test will be conducted, and after that post manager or some higher post
Okay,
senior.
got it.
Yeah.
Yeah,
So
got it.
he will be taking your session to make you understand how B2B and B2C works. So he will be giving you an overview of that.
That gonna be ABP test.
Yeah.
Assistant Vice President.
Yeah, so they will be providing some ideas about
Insight,
sales.
insight about the company, how it's
Yeah.
work.
After this 2 days, once you completed the 2 days workshop, after that they will send you 10 PPTs. Okay. In that 10 PPTs,
Yes.
there are the different scenario, and there will be slides of only 5 slides are there in every PPT. So
Yes.
you don't have to add any extra PPT, extra slide in that
Slide.
PPT. So you have to just write down your key ideas on that PPT. As I have mentioned in early video that I uploaded, will be mentioning that link too. So you have to just you don't have to play that video, and that video will not run in that PPT. So and the PPT in that PPT, the video which is mentioned, it is already watched by your HR or the manager who will be taking your interview. So in that PPT, you have to explain the need identification and the key area. What is the concern of the parents, right? So it is not going to be I can say it is not going to be that much hard that you thinking it is not going to be that much tough. But yeah, you have to explain all those key areas, all those questions that were asked. And I will be not be briefing explaining all those area, because I have already mentioned in my previous video how you have to explain all those things. And then the interviewer will ask you some questions, interviewer will start giving you an objection, right, Bobby?
Yes, and that will probably depend on the.
uh, so in that PPT part, you have to select one PPT.
Most of the people facing problem like they can't play the video from
Okay,
that PPT.
so let me clarify you that you don't have to play that video in front of the interview. The interviewer is already know that video. Have
Yeah.
watched already video. You have to just explain that video. You don't have to play over there only. You have to just write down the points and just explain that video. Yeah.
Right.
And what extra or what another problem do you think that people find that people
Listen, what I'm trying to say, one guy pinged me over last night. He was saying ki video is not working, like link is not visible. So what we need to do, open the same file from Word or Word document, then video will be visible.
So the basically idea is to just you have to watch that video. You don't have to show that video to the interviewer.
Yes.
And after watching that video and just relating to the statement that is given over there, and you have to just explaining all those area like how this video is related. If you are it is something like that, you are pitching a customer and you are just handling the objections of the parents. So it is something like that. And let me show you guys something. Many people ask what is the working hours, right? So let me show you one screenshot, so you will be getting an idea that what will be the working hours. So let me show you my working hours here. So I will be showing you my screen, and just is the message that my WhatsApp group. So here is the congratulations superstar Tarun Bhagat for your first sale. Trust me guys, hard work is everything. Tarun took session at 7 a.m. So guys, can you imagine by you? This is the time 7 a.m. until 10:30 p.m. So this is the working hour you have to give to the company. The time you have to give to the company. And it is up to you guys whether you want to give the time or not. It's up to you. So this my first sale was of 33,000, and the guy was from Hindi board, Hindi UP board, Hindi medium UP board. And this is the sale I have done, my first sale. So you can understand guys, I have taken a Zoom session at midnight. That is I have ended that session at 11:30. So 11:30 p.m. So you can imagine that this is the time I have to give to the potential clients, because parents come at home at that time. Because just understand one thing: if a parent who is coming to the house at 10 p.m. so when will you going to schedule a Zoom session? If a parent is going at 10 a.m. in the office in his job, and he is coming at 10 p.m. So you will be going to take the Zoom session at 10:30, right? 10:30 will be the time you will be giving to that client. You will be giving to this client, and you have to take that Zoom session for 1 hour or more than that. So that the time will went to the 10:30 or 12. So that is why I am not able to text you all, guys, and it's not possible to every time I text you or message you, but most of the time I try to reply you as soon as possible. So that is the reason I am not able to give you the time, or I will cut the call when someone calls me. So this is the time and this is the hard work you have to pay. You have to give to the company to understand and learn many things. Let me tell you, you have to just send that PPT to that HR, and HR will share the screen, and you have to explain those PPT, guys. You have to explain. So write down, just understand those all area, and write down in key point. This is the point I have understand, and just explain those points in front of the interview. Whether it's they will provide a 10 PPT, so where you have to think according to that, and you have to answer according to that only. So if you want to just choose one PPT, you can choose the PPT that I have explained to the Bobby. So that PPT is much bit easier to explain to the interviewer. So there is nothing to worry about it, and you have to understand this rule. This is the rule that I'm going to explain you. Uh, if you are eligible for this rule, then only you will be going to select in the company. That is the 3C rule. 3C rule. 3C rule. What 3C rule says, if you are fulfilling this all 3C rule, then you will be taken as a BDT. So first C means you should have a confidence. Second C means you should have a content to tackle customer. Third thing, you should have communication, good communication. If you have, that is 3C rule, confidence, and if you have a content to tackle customers objection, and last thing is a good communication, that then you are eligible for the BDT. Otherwise you will be not be getting inside the company, you will be not be selected if you are lacking in these 3 points. If you are not able to tackle a customer, you will be not qualified. If you don't have a confidence, you will be not qualified. If you don't have the good communication, you will be not qualified. So this is the point which I am pin you in your mind. It's morning time, and my next session will be started soon in 5 to 10 minutes. So guys, please, if you're watching this video, like the video, subscribe the video. If you have any doubt, so you can ask in the comment section. So I will be replying all that doubts that you will be having, and
Yes, Yuval.
you can pin me in my Insta or LinkedIn, so I can just reply on that also. So guys, this is the things that I want to convey you, and so please subscribe. Don't go without subscribing my channel. Okay guys, bye, see you in next video. Bye, guys.